Stay away from me, you grabbers. Stay away from me, you grabbers. Don't want fuck all from you. Stay fuck all from you. You grabbers. Don't want nothing from you. You're a leaner, eh? You're a leaner. Do not stand like this normally. Wait. Oh, that's not the zip I need. There's a brother in the bean. I see the brother. I see the brother. Where's you pumping right there? Crazy ass motherfucker. Fucking idiot. An ambulance about to take you to the hospital is gonna crash into you. Fuck it, man. What the hell? Crazy ass motherfucker. Gee. There's no bikes. Oh, they closed? Oh shit. I thought I was gonna give you some bikes, huh? Oh, there is bikes. What? No, it's not. No, no, yep, no, what, no, oh, 12:34, they're closing up, yeah. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Hey, look at it! Oh, she's out, she's in a, but that's different, whoa, bruh. I'm coming for you. I'm not coming, don't worry. I can go there. And I'm gonna go there. Gravel, that's so shit, yeah. I don't know where to go. Yeah, stop street. You don't see the lines here, bruh. Don't see the lines. Just see nothing. You see nothing at all. Where am I? Where am I? Is this place where I don't know where I am? I'm just gonna turn off here and I'm gonna go there, I don't know where. That's dope, this book. Oh, I see where I am. I'm far gone, bruh. Ah, I see where I am. I know, I went too far. I went too far. Damn, son. There's use some bikes. Are they? Aprilia, sweetie. Sweet ass bike. What's the price? Oh, Ducati V4S, if I'm not mistaken. V4S. I'm gonna go inside. They're probably busy a bit. 129,026 k's on. Nice. This is a beauty. Yeah, buddy. Hey, good boy. Hey. Ass is lifting, bro. Are they?
No, I think it's the S that got it.
V4S, yeah.
Yeah, you went for right today.
Is it? Yeah, I see. I thought this is off spray on you. So it's just dust. Nice. Need to sort this thing out. Because this is shit. It's too. The thing with the Ducati is a dry clutch system. Yes. It is bothersome. It's still recording. Nice. You see, this is now the problem I've got. I still have that problem. Don't know how to get rid of it. It's a bit better. That's for sure. Like this Aprilia. Nice Aprilia. Yeah, I got them in the closing. Fuck me. Let's see if I can do it without touching. I can. Nice. That's a pity. They're closing up now, so. Where to now? It's a short video. Trying some hard pulls. Yeah, it's not going out of the plan. Yeah. So yeah, I got you. I see you. Don't worry, I see you. I see you. You see me. We everybody see each other. Come on, bro. Oh yeah. Go stop. Okay, let's see. crawlies on the merge. Wind is bad. Wind is very bad from the front. Oh, wind is bad. Oh man. Oh, wind is bad. Maybe. Ah, what the fuck, man. That's another reason why I need a fucking bigger helmet. I hate this position of the camera because I can't look far over because otherwise my shoulder hurts. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's a short run. I didn't even speak a lot. Figure, I'm not a talker. I'm a driver. Don't drive, don't talk. Just want to enjoy my shit. Driving. What you doing? Why am I so quiet? I keep it to myself like I always try it. I see you. I always say that when somebody sees me with a GoPro on. I see you. I see you too. Hey, boy. see you, you see me. Hey, you can get straight as much as you like. I don't care. You can do what you like. I'm going straight. Yeah, but yeah.